Good morning, children. Today we will start the next chapter, that is chapter number 11 of our English grammar book, that is use of a and the. Now I will explain you the use of a and the. These are the articles a and the. These are called articles. A and these are called indefinite articles, and the is called definite article. This is the two different names given for this. Now, where we use these articles, what is the use of these articles? A and these are used before singular countable nouns. Singular means single, okay. Countable nouns which we can count. Suppose table, chair, fan, book, these we can count. So a and are used before singular countable nouns, and the is used for particular things, some proper nouns, unique things, before a noun which is talked about a second time. Again, it is also used before the names of oceans, rivers, trains, monuments, holy books, etc. Now we will see first use of a and then I will explain you the use of the. Now a and these are used before the singular countable nouns, but specifically this is used before the consonant sound, where there is consonant sound. Like if we are saying pencil, pencil starts with P. This pencil starts with P. Sound is P. So here we will use a pencil. And again we can see computer. Computer. What is the sound here? See, this is consonant. So we are using a pencil, a computer. These are singular. Again, before the vowel sound, we can use an. Example, umbrella. Umbrella. What you can say? An umbrella. Why an? Because here this is vowel. Vowel, you know, children. E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Before the vowels we use an. Again, unicorn. UNICORN. Now here it is starting with U. Starting letter is U. But this is not the vowel sound. Here we are using this vowel sound. The sound of Y. Y is consonant, so here an will not be used. Here only a will be used because the sound is Y. For this, for your convenience, I can say in Hindi you have read swar word and vyanjan word. In Hindi we can link these with Hindi also. In Hindi, swar and vyanjan. Swar, vyanjan. Swar, these are swar. Vyanjan, ka, kha, ga, these are vyanjan. Okay, so before swar we use an, before vyanjan we use a. Now unicorn, UNICORN, unicorn. Now in Hindi what we can write? Unicorn. Now here it is ya, and ya comes in vyanjan. Ya comes under vyanjan. So what I have said, in vyanjan we use a. So a unicorn. So it will be a unicorn. And in English also you can see unicorn. The sound of Y is there. That's why it is a is used here. Now I think it is clear. Now there should be no confusion in a and It is very simple, consonant and vowel. But the is used for particular things and the things which are unique. Suppose sun. The sun. Sun is unique. There is only one sun. Moon. The moon. The sun. The moon. The name of the mountain. The Himalaya. Himalaya is only one. The Himalaya. The Ganga. Ganga river is only one. Name of the river. Name of the newspaper. The Hindustan Times. Okay, Hindustan Times. Name of the newspaper, name of the river I said, then name of the holy book, the Gita, the Mahabharata. These are unique things you can say, and these are special things. So here the is used. And again we can use the before the nouns which are used for the second time. It means if we are talking about it for the second time. Suppose treaty was we can take one example, children. It is given in your English book, not in your grammar book. Treaty was dash pretty bird. So what we can fill up here? Treaty was a pretty bird. She had dash egg in her nest. Dash egg is starting with E. So she had an egg in her nest. One day dash egg hatched. Dash egg hatched. Now here you will say that ma'am we can use an because egg is starting with E, so here it will be an egg. But here the will be used because we have talked earlier about the egg. She had an egg in her nest. Tweety had an egg in her nest, and same we are talking about the same egg. So we are using one day the egg hatched and out came a baby bird. Next line, dash cat spotted. Dash cat, now we are talking about a cat, so we will say a cat spotted dash teeny baby. Now here the and which we can say a cat spotted the teeny baby. Why the teeny baby? Because in the previous line we have talked about the baby and out came a baby bird. We are talking about that from that egg a baby bird has come out, and we are talking about that baby bird. So we are saying a cat spotted the teeny baby. Now slowly dash cat climbed up dash tree. Slowly dash cat. Now we have talked about the cat, so we can say slowly the cat climbed up a tree and sat on dash branch. Branch is starting with B, that is consonant. So we can say sat on a branch close to the baby bird. Clear, children? So when we talk about the same thing again and again, there we use the. Again I said before the name of the river, train you can say the Rajdhani Express, the Vibhuti, like this we can use. Holy books I have told like this. The is used, and the is used before singular and plural. Sometimes the is also used before the proper noun. Proper nouns are like Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is proper noun, so I have started here it with the capital letter, and we are told that we cannot use a and the. We cannot use anything before the proper noun. We cannot say Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. We cannot say the Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. It will be wrong. A Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader and Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. All these will be wrong. But sometimes we use the. Why? Suppose we are talking about a boy in my class who behaves like Mahatma Gandhi, means he always trusts, he always speaks truth, he supports non-violence. So if I am talking about Rahul who is studying in my class, then I can say Rahul is the Mahatma Gandhi of my class. Rahul is the Mahatma Gandhi of my class because Rahul Gandhi is behaving like Mahatma Gandhi. He is not Mahatma Gandhi, but his character is like Mahatma Gandhi. So here we are saying Rahul is the Mahatma Gandhi of my class. Okay, but just when we are talking about actual Mahatma Gandhi, there we cannot use the. So for this we can take the examples given in your book. So let's see for the examples.